Yo, what's up? Welcome to Smash Burger Smash Pass Day 35. Today, we're doing the grilled chicken version of the Central Florida. Because honestly, I'm not a mustard person, and I want to get these Central Floridas out of the way, so I can start messing around with my create-your-own burgers. However, the spiciness and whatever is pretty good, but mustard, you gotta be a mustard person. I'm not really a mustard person. I like the spicy mayo better. So, let's see if the grilled chicken's any different. Bam! You can see those fried green tomatoes. Chicken. Got the lettuce. Good to go, son. Lots of mustard, though. Yep. Let's get into it. Mmm. Okay, right off the bat, the mustard isn't so bad with the grilled chicken. It kind of changes the flavor of it a little bit. Mmm. The grilled chicken one is the best out of the 3 Central Floridas I've had so far. I'm surprised. Normally it's the crispy chicken, but the grilled chicken's different flavoring actually accentuates the mustard and makes me not hate it as much. Mmm. It brings out the flavor of the tomatoes a little bit more too. Got that spicy pimento cheese. Mmm. That was the best of the 3 different versions of the Central Florida. That was a surprise. So the Central Florida is better with the grilled chicken. That's good to know. Well, I got a couple more salads to get. I'm going to try to get the barbecue salad probably soon. And then I got to try some more of the black bean burgers, which is I'm not really looking forward to that, but I got to try it, you know? But, so yeah. Like I said, grilled chicken is the way to go if you want a Central Florida and you're not a big mustard fanatic. That was the one that made the mustard the easiest to deal with. Anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna play some games. But thanks for hanging out. Peace.